When you take out the Gizmo Guy Gadget, you'll have the cigarette charger as well as the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Now simply connect the USB part of it to the car charger, please. Then connect it to the cigarette charger, to the cigarette socket there. Once you plug it in, you'll notice that the gadget actually indicates that it's at 87.9. So you can set that by pressing long press the button, and once it flash, you can set it to whatever station that you want to. But 87.9 works for 99% of the people, so we'll just 87.9. So once you set to 87.9, you long press the button again, and once you start flashing, it tells you that the setting has been set. Now go to your car radio, set it to 87.9 as well. You'll notice that there's no hissing, no static, okay, because the Gizmo Guy Gadget is actually working. Now, all we got to do is set the phone. So we'll go to the phone. And go to the Bluetooth setting. You go to the setting, Bluetooth setting, and look for HY62. If it's
Bluetooth connection success.
You'll hear once it's connected, once the Bluetooth is connected, you'll hear the announcements. Bluetooth connection is successful. That means that now your phone has been paired to the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Now you're ready to listen to anything you want from your phone right through your radio. Now you can go to your phone and go to the podcast that you want to listen to, or any music, YouTube, anything you want to listen to.
Very cool.
And then you'll be able to listen to all your music, podcasts, radio, even YouTube music right through your factory radio. Now you basically just add Bluetooth capability to your car.
Very cool.
So this is how easy it is to get Bluetooth, to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.